Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. We're looking at the Superstar SS-121. This is for Daniel. Daniel's in Florida here. And this is a tune-up report for him. Daniel, I'm looking at 10 watts across the top scale there. See, he comes in at 8. Let me throw the low power switch. Goes down to 2 to 8. Alright, now our peak power, 50 watt slug. You're reading into here 20 and there's 30. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Alright, and that's it.